Una sa ating mga balita, nasa Taiwan na ang NBI team na magsasagawa ng parallel investigation sa umano'y pamamaril ng Coast Guard sa isang fishing vessel sa karagatan ng Batanes Island. Ang 8 kataong team ay lumipad kaninang alas 7:30 ng umaga mula sa NAIA Terminal 3. Samantala, nasa bansa naman ang 7 investigador mula sa Taiwan. May report si Noel Perfecto.
Nakarating na sa bansang Taiwan ng 8-man NBI forensic at ballistics investigators para masimulan na ng mga ito ang kanilang parallel investigation sa sasakyang pandagat na pinutukan ng Coast Guard Sea Patrol at BIFAR officials noong Mayo 9, 2013 sa Balintang Channel. Sa hindi maintindihan ng pangyayari, namatay ang Taiwanese fisherman na si 65-year-old Hung Shi Chen. Kinumpirma ito ni Deputy Director Virgilio Mendez nang ipakilala niya sa mga media men ang kararating lamang na 7-man investigators mula naman sa Taiwan na magsasagawa rin ng isang parallel probe sa bansa.
Beside me is Mr. Lin. He is the head prosecutor from Taipei, Taiwan. At the back is Andrew Lin. He is the head of the diplomatic group of TECO. And Attorney Abiera is also from MICO. So, you want to ask questions? So, what was the...
Mag-meet pa lang.
Well, ang statement namin at this time is that the group has went into a coordination meeting to agree on the steps that we will be undertaking in the next few days.
Nagbigay rin ng kanyang reaksyon si Lin Yen Liang, head investigator at prosecutor ng Taiwanese experts. Ipinakilala rin ni Liang ang mga kasamahan nito na sina Lin Chia Kai, investigator-prosecutor, Cheng Shi Che, investigator-prosecutor, Chang Hong Jui, investigator, Ji Li Jin, forensics, Li Jinwei, firearms, at Lin Gu Ting, technician. Sinabi ng mga ito na kanilang kakausapin rin ang ilang mga Coast Guard personnel na bumaril sa kababayan nila. Gayon din ang pagsilip sa video footage ng kuha ng PCG nang mapatay ang 65-year-old na si Chen.
We had just finished our coordination meeting of the activities that we will be undertaking in the next 2 or 3 days. At this time, that's the only thing we can give you because we cannot disclose any of the details of the...
Sir, are they starting today?
Yes. We do not know how long it will take, but they will finish their investigation before going back.
Sir, what are you doing first? What will the team be doing?
What we're going to do is we conduct the ballistics examination. Then second is for the inspection of the vessel. Then third day, then we will discuss what will happen on the third day.
Samantala, pinabububayan na lamang ni Coast Guard Commandant Rear Admiral Rodolfo Isorena ang magiging kalalabasan ng investigasyon ng dalawang grupo ng NBI at Taiwan probers na nagsasagawa ng parallel probe sa kontrobersyal na pamamaril sa Balintang Channel noong Mayo 9, 2013.
Hindi pa tapos yung investigasyon, so we wait for the final result of investigation. Pag meron naman, I'm sure ilalabas naman ng NBI.
So no brief yet or what the Guard is concerned, the rules of engagement?
Depending nga sa appreciation ng NBI, so siguro hintayin na lang natin yung result ng investigasyon.
Sa ngayon, ang 17 personnel ng Coast Guard na lula ng MCS o Maritime Control Surveillance Vessel ay kasalukuyang inilagay sa quarters upang hindi maimpluwensya ito ang gagawing investigasyon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.